So a little more on the Magswitch So a little more on the Magswitch starter kit. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a link just here to show you all about the starter kit. Okay, so you've got a problem. You want to make some doors with raised panels in them. Here's a panel that I've got. I've got to put a bevel on all sides of this. Normally you'd have to make a jig that'll run along your table saw fence. You need to have clamps and everything to keep everything steady, to make the cut nice and safe. I'm going to show you an easier way. Okay, so what I've attached here to my, my basic starter kit is the dual roller guide. Very simple to put on. If you don't believe me, have a look at this. Now the general idea with these mag switches is that you can place the unit on your table anywhere. You're not governed by your miter slots. You can just lock them down anywhere, which makes it so much easier to set the cut up. So getting back to my panel that I want to cut my bevels on, this is how easy it is to set up. I've tilted my blade, let's say 30 degrees. I've tilted my blade to 30 degrees. I move my fence up to the cut, to where I want it to cut. Lock it down. And then I move my mag switch up to it, press that against the fence, lock it down. And now it's being held firmly in place and I can make the cut nice and easy. The rollers in here make it a nice easy push and it just makes the cut a lot safer. Next application for this particular jig, you can use it on your jointer. Now you've got a piece of timber that's not quite square. First thing you'd do, as you all know, is you'd run it through your jointer to get a nice square bottom. Then you'd turn it over to put against your fence. That's when you put your jig against, and that'll hold it tightly against your fence so it gives you a perfect 90-degree cut. So, as you can imagine, with these jigs, there's plenty of other uses you can use them for. I've just shown you some basic uses for them. If you want some more information, click on the links below. I'm Chris from Built by Chris, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.